So I chose Google Forms to do my survey. I'm currently getting responses actually. I have about 12 responses. So you can edit and it gives you like options like down here. If I press this plus button, I can add a question and then I can like add all of these descriptions and images. So my 5 questions were: have you ever visited a national park? Which one? What do you think is the most popular national park? Would you ever consider coming to a national park? And then it organizes all of your responses in little pie charts. So this one is a bar graph. So the first question is, have you ever visited a national park? Yes or no. So then it puts it in a thing. So far it's pretty close. And then this one's organizing it in a little bar graph, and then a pie chart, and a pie chart, and it'll leave it like this when you're done with your survey.